I'm Whitney.
And I'm Leslie.
And we are talking today about how to make a lab safety plan. Leslie, as we talked about in our last video, is our safety expert. We'll call you that. I think
Okay.
That's good.
Sure. So I worked at a couple of companies where we've had to establish a safety program, and really the biggest thing that anybody will tell you is just do something. Train your employees, come up with, look around, see what your
Hazards are, in a sense.
and address them and train your employees on them, and then write it down and say that you did it. So we have created this handy dandy safety manual, and I have put together the trainings for this quarter.
Right.
And that's the other thing. You don't have to have an entire plan for exactly how you're going to get everything in, Be flexible, make sure that you're addressing the concerns that are relevant to your company. And, just keep going
Start
with
somewhere.
it. Yeah, start
Well,
somewhere.
and quite frankly, something you even could do too if you're having a tough time. It seems like you were able to garner a lot of great information online.
Right.
But like Leslie said, look around, see what hazards are there, and then start there. I would say on the daily you can see somebody doing something that you're like, probably not the safest approach for that.
Right.
And not to embarrass them, but have that be, a subject in your next training meeting. We don't do things this way. You don't call them out, but this is why we don't do them this way. What are make it a discussion as well, so.
Yeah, and there are tons and tons of online programs and information. A lot of if you're a big company with hundreds of employees to track, there's lots of different programs that you can go through that will help you set up not only your training manual, but help you track who's been trained, when their certifications are due again.
Right.
Especially if you have respiratory or anything where you have to go to a doctor to make sure that your employees are handled correctly. So, and I don't know how much help I can be. I'm definitely not the end all be all of all things safety.
Leslie's
but
pretty great.
I've built a couple of these programs, and I've done a lot of research. And if you have questions and you want to reach out, I'd be more than happy to answer them if I can. And if not, I can always point you in the direction of somebody who actually can help you. Be safe out there, guys.
Thank you so much for joining. Like, subscribe, ding that bell for notifications. Go Concrete!
Beat asphalt.